Do you know where we are, Tom?
We're at Secret Fresh Gallery.
Secret Fresh Manila, Secret Fresh Gallery. We got Riff Manila right behind us as well. And we were just at DJ Big Boy Cheng's house filming some crazy videos. So if you guys want to check out the last video, check it out. I'll leave a link down below. But we got anti-shoe expert in the house right here.
How are you guys?
And yeah, we're getting inside, so let's hop in.
Welcome to Secret Fresh.
Whoa, we got the levitating shoe stand right here for the Cause Air Jordan 4. That's sick. So we just ordered some food, and while we're waiting for some food, we're actually going to be looking around the gallery a little bit. There's like a whole SpongeBob thing happening right now. Like, check this out behind me. What? I love SpongeBob growing up, and this is a little different than your regular SpongeBob.
Are you ready, kids?
Yeah, a lot of things have changed since the last time I was here in December, like dramatically. The storefront changed. It's not like a secret convenience store in the front with the gallery in the back. It's not like that anymore. Secret. It was a secret gallery in the back with the convenience store in the front, and it's just so much has changed. So much has changed since the last time I was here. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. I was not expecting the food here to be that good, but if you guys were looking for like a solid lunch spot to stop by and also look at some hype sneakers, Secret Fresh Gallery, I'd highly recommend it. So the last time I was here, the Riff Manila store was a pop-up just outside in its own little like building, but now it's like almost looks like an indefinite part of Secret Fresh right here, but apparently they change the setup very often. Now, the last time I was here was in December, so I'm sure their inventory has changed dramatically. I'm sure they have a lot more heat than there was here just last year. So let's take a look at Riff Manila at Secret Fresh Gallery. So now I'm going to show you guys some early sneakers that DJ Big Boy Cheng has here at Riff Manila, starting off with these Jordan 4s. Here we have it. These are the What the Air Jordan 4s. Now we don't know the exact release date for these yet, but I gotta say, the qualities on these joints are pretty damn good. The leather on here is like a nice tumbled, sort of reminds me of the shattered backboards, but not that super soft material. It's about halfway. Tom is actually trying out the drums. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a little bit. But back to the shoes. This is a combination of what looks like 3 to 4 different Air Jordans. We got the, I think, military blues. We also got the fire red 4s. We got the white cements, and I actually think we have like a bread look on. Yeah, we have the bread midsole on this pair right here. So if you're a huge fan of the Air Jordan 4, definitely something you might want to add to your collection, but it's definitely not a shoe that is for everybody. We even got the mismatched tongue. We don't see too many Jordans like this. The last time I think we really saw a shoe like this was the Jordan 1 Top 3. But yeah, overall, pretty cool pair. I don't know if I'll be buying a pair for personal use just because it's such a harder shoe to style compared to your regular Jordan. I think I'd rather use that money towards like a Jordan 4 or white cement 4. But let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the top right hand corner. Is this a cop or is it a drop? Or let me know in the comment section down below. But let me get to these next shoes, these Dunk Off-Whites. So here we go. These are the red and gray Nike Dunk Off-White lows. I don't know if it's an SB because they don't have SB branding anywhere, so it could just be a regular Nike Dunk low. But did they really make Dunk lows without them being SBs? I'm not too sure, but we got the retro branding here on the tongue with the old school Nike logo. We have the double red laces right here. So we have the red with the gray, and then we have that extra set on the side. I'm not really a big fan of that. On the side here, it reads Off-White TM for Nike, Nike Dunk Low, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, C 1985. And yeah, I like the shoes. I just don't know how everyone's getting these early. I think I saw Paul Fontabella had these early, and a few other people on like Instagram have them early. We also have the zip tie right here, which of course is the easiest way to tell reals versus fakes according to Virgil Abloh. But it says Off-White 2017 zip tie. What do you guys think about these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys like these at all? Cop or drop? Would you rather wear these, the Dunk Off-Whites, or would you guys rather wear the Jordan 4 what this? DJ Big Boy Cheng also has these, the Yeezy Scuba sneakers. These are crazy. So he said he paid 6,500 US for these, and I think like 4,000 US for these. This is the white pair, of course, the black pair. I don't know what you would wear this with. Is this a practical scuba diving shoe? Kanye, what are you doing right now? I'm not too sure what's happening. One thing I do know is they have some pretty cool Family Guy sneakers here. These are the Stewie Griffins. I love Family Guy. I used to watch it a lot, and I used to have a volleyball coach who was a huge Stewie Griffin and Family Guy fan. So shout out to Mr. Bash. But yeah, down here we also got some more heat. A lot of Supreme like box logos and t-shirts here. Check this out. He has the LV Jenga set. Yes, the LV Jenga set. And this is Big Boy Cheng's personal pair. So he's played with this in the past, and he even invited me to play Jenga with him and whoever wants to play Jenga with the LV set. I know some people were thinking about buying these and turning each piece into a keychain. Very lucrative resale idea. I haven't seen anyone do that yet, but it definitely is probably the best way to resell these LV Jenga blocks, which is really unique. And check this out, a letter from Anta, the basketball shoe brand that is endorsed, or that endorses Klay Thompson. This letter here reads, "Hi Big Boy, here's a special gift just for you. We hope you enjoy our product and feel free to get social. Thank you from Anta, Philippines." Pretty cool. And then here's the pair right here. That's dope. I'm not a Golden State Warriors kind of guy, you know, I'm a Raptors guy, but I still think this is pretty cool. Taking a look at the shoes they have here, they got so much heat, man, like a ridiculous amount of heat. It is Riff after all, but I'll show you guys some of the stuff. We got these Off-White golf shoes. Oh my gosh, you can actually wear these in like public and stuff. It's not like a super sharp, it's not gonna hurt, you know. But we also got the not for resale ones. We got the Travis Scott ones. These are some OG Air Jordan 1 Chicago's. These have aged actually really well, and damn, yeah, it's really cool. You don't get to see OG retro Jordans like this very often in immaculate condition. These are in fantastic shape, and these are actually going for 77,000 pesos. So if you want to cop these, add them to your collection, maybe wear them. I know some of them are wearable, so you could do that. We got the Travis Scott ones here as well, super popular. These are going for 66,000 in a size 12. There are a fair amount of Sacai blazers here. These are a size 8, and I wonder how much these are going for, because I know these fit a pretty penny, and they are 27,500 pesos. I think if I were to buy a pair, it would have to be these ones or that black and white pair that look really good for everyday wear. And these are size 9.5, going for 27,500. We also got the black Cause Air Jordan 4s. These are really nice. Next up, I want to show you guys this cool display of bear bricks that they have. Now, DJ Big Boy Cheng, when we got here, he actually told us that he's going to be gifting me and Tom a 1000% bear brick, which is insane. So thank you so much, Big Boy Cheng, for the present.
I give to you guys.
Oh man.
Tofu bear brick, and also one is the blue and one is the red, so you guys 1000% bear bricks.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem, guys.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Sir, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go eat first.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
I'm calling dibs on the red one. And he's actually giving us like the set. So there's two different colors for them. They're called the tofu set. So this set has the blue and the red one right here. And I think Tom and I are going to flip a coin, decide which color we get. I would think I would prefer the red just because red's my favorite color, but we'll see. And I'll be happy with either. But damn, thank you, Big Boy Cheng. I really, really appreciate it. And check these out. These are like sneakers transformed into Uzis. Check this out. This is like the Human Race NMD yellow colorway they have transformed into an Uzi. We have a like a Futurecraft 4D one here as well. This is actually really, really cool. And then the last pair is the Have a Nice Day, the Have a Nike Day themed ones. So really cool that they like transformed the shoe into these little toys right here.
Hey, boss. As always, man. Thank you. Maybe you guys can hang out in the market.